Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you've been here before, welcome back, and if this is your first time of joining us, please click the subscribe button and notification bell to join the family. So guys, if you watched my last video, you recognize this hair. This is what this hair looks like after 1 month of installation. And if you've not watched this video, please check my last video. Today I'm going to be showing you guys 3 ways to uninstall these locks. So guys, this is the first method I'm going to be showing you guys, and pretty much very easy and straightforward. So if you watched the first video, you know that we kind of made a knot to secure the extension to the hair. So I'm just going to go ahead to untie that knot. As you can see, just look closely. I'll try to pull the extension through the knot. It's just like untying the knot. That's what I'm pretty much doing here. And after I do that, I'm just going to look for her hair, which is the braid, and pull it out, and that's it. So I'm going to be showing you guys this method again, and I'm going to be using this brown hair just so that you can see the knot and where my hand is pointing at, or that's where the knot is. So you know how you untie your shoe knot, exactly what I'm trying to do here, just pulling out the extension through the knot that is securing it to the hair, just like this. And I'm just going to pull it through, and when I'm done pulling it out, I'm just going to look for the braided hair and pull it out like this, and that's all. So guys, this is the second method, and I'll be using a pair of scissors to show you guys this method. This method is faster, and this is when you're not interested in reusing your locks extension anymore. So I'm just going to go ahead and look for that knot and cut it this way, since the knot is the only thing securing the extension to the hair. After cutting the knot, I'm just going to pull out the braided hair and go ahead to use the scissors again if I don't want to pull it. So I'm going to show you guys again. I'm first going to look for the knot and cut it. Then I'll look for her braided hair and pull it out of the extension, and then I cut it again to totally detach it. So this is the third method, and the third method, you're just going to look for the braided hair and loosen it till you get to the root. So yeah, I found the braided hair, and I'm just going to start loosening it till I get to the root. So this is a method that I would recommend for someone that wants to uninstall her locks by herself. It's the reason why I would recommend this method is because you don't have to use the scissors, so you don't mistakenly cut your hair or look for the knots and then mistakenly tangle your hair. So guys, just like I told you about this method, the moment you are done losing the braid completely, you see that the extension just detached from the hair easily like this. So thank you for watching. I hope this video was helpful. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.